Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. As the description says, we're gonna be doing something new again today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Welcome back. Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Yeah? Stay tuned. Something new again. I know you guys are wondering, what's new? What is new? Well, today we are gonna be doing some calamari. Some deep fried calamari. I'll say in the description, It's my first time again trying something new. Deep fried calamari. Lucian in the kitchen, We're trying something new. See, we got 2 squids here. I'm gonna deep fry. But before I do all that, Before I do all that, I gotta clean it. So I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. Lucian in the kitchen. Squid tried to run away on me. See, he's already trying to run away. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my calamari is all cleaned and sliced to my preferred size. As you can see, I cleaned it up nicely. I took off the skin, I took out the eyeballs, I took out the insides. There's the tentacles. Yeah, calamari, nice and clean. Look at that, fresh and clean, right? Now on this side, I have some flour and some cornstarch, and I'm gonna season it up. I'm gonna add some sazon. One pack of sazon, because I didn't make much. It's only 2 calamari. And of course some adobo seasoning. I'm gonna mix that up, So I'm gonna use the fork to mix it up. Just whisk it. Cornstarch, some sazon, and some adobo seasoning. Yeah, and you know what? We're gonna add some soup base too. Add some extra flavor. Lucian in the kitchen, guys. We always trying something new. Alright? Don't worry, I'll get to the Lucian dish, the Lucian meal soon, but new stuff for now. Experimental stuff for now. The Lucian stuff is so easy I could do it with my eyes closed, so experimenting right now. I'm gonna mix that up. Look, my oil is heating up. Look at that. My oil is already boiling. You see that? My oil is already bubbling. I'm gonna add this in here, but I gotta mix it up in a little bit still. So stay tuned, yeah? Deep fried calamari. So I'm gonna add my squid in my flour and cornstarch and seasoning mix, so it gets nice and coated. Nice even coat. See that? Get a nice even coat on it. And we're gonna fry soon. Yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're trying stuff, new stuff, every day. Well, not every day, but we always trying new stuff. Always trying new stuff. Today, deep fried calamari. Tomorrow, who knows? We might fry some frog. You never know. nice uncoated. Try to get it individually, you know. Nice and coat, nice coat on all. Gonna finish that up. See you in the frying pan. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, everything is nice and coated with the flour and cornstarch mixture, you know, with the seasoning. So I didn't have to season the squid because, you know, the flour has the seasoning already. My oil is hot. Watch, my oil is hot. See that? So I'm gonna let it in. Yeah. Let it in. Let it fry. 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 This little squid of mine, I'm gonna let it fry. This little squid of mine, I'm gonna let it fry. This little squid of mine, I'm gonna let it fry. Look at that. Getting all golden brown. Yeah? Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Frying up some squid. I put it all in there because I ain't got time. Yeah? Frying up some squid for you today. Look at that. Restaurant quality. Let that fry for 10 minutes. And we should be good to go. Deep fried calamari. Deep fried calamari. You know, restaurants are closed right now. COVID, you know, restaurants are closed, and why go spend a bunch of money and get some homemade calamari? I showed you guys what to do. Well, I didn't show you how to clean it, but I'll give you a video next time of me cleaning it, okay? There you go. It's frying. Nice and crispy coming soon. Yeah? Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Deep fried calamari. There you have it. Nice and golden. Nice golden brown. Nice golden brown. Now, I kind of put too much in the pot, so some of the coating fell off, but nice golden brown. It's ready done, you know. The boat has landed. Deep fried calamari. Lucian in the kitchen. Why go to a restaurant and spend so much money? You know? Trust me, I am not gonna be spending my money in restaurants anymore buying calamari. I'll make it at home. I shall make it at home. Boom. Nice and golden. And for a little crunch, you know. That cornstarch. This calamari of mine, I'm gonna let it fry. This calamari of mine, I'm gonna let it fry. Let it fry, oh let it fry, but not too dry. There we go. Shut this off. Oh, there you have it. Deep fried calamari. Now, I'm gonna throw some black pepper on there. Yeah, and a little salt, And boom! Deep fried calamari. Homemade. Deep fried calamari. Homemade. Look at that. I put too much in the pot so some of the coating came off. Listen to this. Mm-hmm. 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 You want some? Here you go. See ah. See ah. Look at that. Golden fried, crispy, deep fried calamari. Homemade. Lucian in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Remember the squid tried to run away? He tried to run away because he knew what was going to happen. There we go. Lucian in the kitchen. Out. There's the final meal, guys. Calamari with some beets on the side, you know. A little plating. I'm trying something, you know. Lucian in the kitchen. We're out. We're out. We're out. Fried and healthy. Okay? Gotta combine the, you know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Give me some beats. Thanks for watching.